me while I'm on my period?
Go fuck yourself. Fuck you.
Hello?
I hope you die.
Felicia?
In hell?
Felicia, I know that's you.
Who the fuck are you?
Hello?
Man, you just make me so horny, like some 50-year-old guy.
What?
Fuck me. Do you want to trace it? Man, you just make me so horny, like some 50-year-old guy.
I would love a pizza.
Can you please squeeze my nose?
Does it come with pussy?
I love the nice big cock in my mouth. I'm the girl for you. I've always sucked the cum right out of the cock. Hello? Oh my goddamn head! One more fucking time! I'm going to come and kick my foot so far up your ass you aren't going to move.
Yeah, who's here? Who's talking?
Who the fuck are you?
They keep calling. They just sit here.
What is your problem? Why the hell do you keep calling your house?
Find the payphone.
Why do you guys keep calling Harpo?
I'm coming to your house and kicking your face in because this is fucking retarded. 5 phone calls in 10 minutes. This is bullshit.
Okay, we can't even deal with you right now. We have to go.
Are you fucking serious? You're the fucking...
Hello?
You scared my little sister last time you called. So long as you just stop, get a light. I'll call the police, okay?
Hello?
Who the fuck are you?
This is a bar. What is this? No, it's a girl. This is a bar, payphone.
What is your problem? Why the hell do you keep calling your house?
What?
Like, who the fuck do you think you are?
I have no idea. I'm sorry. I think your boyfriend called you from a bar payphone because this is a bar payphone, and I just walked out of the women's bathroom and answered it because it was ringing. And there's no boy around here.
What
does he look like? What does he look like? I'll look for him.
Hello?
Hello?
Called her house 4 times this morning. In what, I'd say about an 8-minute period. Do you even have a goddamn life?
What's up?
Oh wait, cause you're too pussy, you're over the phone. How about come to my house next time? Fuck me.
Do you want to lick my butthole?
Man, you just make me so horny, like some 50-year-old guy.
Do you want to lick my butthole?
I love it to guzzle that cum.
I just took a huge shit and I got a hairy asshole, so there might be some dingleberries there for you to lick on. That's not like fun to you?
I love the nice big cock in my mouth.
Would it make you come if you got to lick dingleberries off my asshole?
I'm the girl for you. I always suck the cum right out of the cock.
I can't really understand you, but would it make you come to eat my dingleberries? I didn't get an answer. I didn't know a serious answer.
Buddy, you already fucking said that.
So you want to eat some fucking dingleberries, you whore?
Can you please squeeze my nose?
Huh?
I love it to guzzle that cum.
This chick wants to eat some dingleberries, dude. Really? Yes, dude. You like dingleberries, don't you?
Shut up.
Uh-huh. Well,
I'm the girl for you. I always suck the cum right out of the cock.
Yeah, why don't you think about that, bitch?
Oh wait, cause you're too pussy, you're over the phone. How about come to my house next time?
Where the fuck are you from?
Do you know how old I am?
I mean, if you're close enough, I might come out with my fucking nutsack all over your face.
I am calling from a hotel. Would you like to know the name of the hotel?
I can't understand you. I'm at a bar and I'm drunk. But I'm gonna come rub my fucking butthole all over your face and scream my
Man, you just make me so horny, like some 50-year-old guy.
Dingleberries all over your fucking face. You're gonna like it. You're gonna eat my fucking dingleberries.
Do you know how old I am?
Shit. Sorry, bitch, you called the wrong payphone. Hello?
I love it to guzzle that cum.
Hey, who's this?
Frank Gary. I'm the girl for you. I always suck the cum right out of the cock.
Who is this?
Frank Gary.
Yeah, I can hear you.
I love it to guzzle that cum. Fuck me. Do you know
Why are you calling Harpo's?
Man, you just make me so horny, like some 50-year-old guy.
Hey. Hello?
I'm the girl for you. I only suck the cum right out of the cock.
Hey, this is Harpo's payphone. What do you want?
I love the nice big cock in my mouth.
What?
I love the nice big cock in my mouth. Can you please my nose? I love the nice big cock in my mouth.
What are you talking about?
To guzzle that cum. I am going to drink the cum.
I'm gonna hang up on you, you crazy ass
broad.
broad.
Suck the cum right out of the cock.
Are you nuts?
Do you want to taste it? Fuck me. What that? Man, you just make me so
Take another one. Take another one.
some 50-year-old guy.
What are you talking about?
What?
Hello?
How old are you?
Hey.
Like, you're a 40-year-old man harassing a 12-year-old.
I'm 22.
8? Are you that lonely?
Hello?
You're full of shit. You are that lonely. Go fuck yourself.
Hey.
Fuck you.
I'll talk to you later, okay? I'll call you back.
Shit, that can't fucking grow.
Bye.
Hello? Go fuck yourself.
Nothing.
Go fuck yourself. Fuck you.
I'm sorry, who is this? Hello?
How old are you? Like, you're a 40-year-old man harassing a 12-year-old.
What?
Like, you're a 40-year-old man harassing a 12-year-old.
No, I'm not.
Oh my god, you are a 50-year-old fucking lady. Stop pretending that you are 13 and fucking immature, buddy.
I'm sorry, what's your name?
Oh my god, you are a 50-year-old fucking lady. Stop pretending that you are 13 and fucking immature, buddy.
I'm not 13.
How old are you?
I'm sorry, what?
How old are you?
I'm 23.
No. Are you that lonely? Do you actually not have a life?
Do I actually what?
You're full of shit.
I'm not. I'm 23. I'm at Harpo's bar in Columbia Piers. Where are you?
Peterborough? Peterborough?
What?
Peterborough?
Oh, I gotta go. The bar's closing. Bye.